If your wife's pregnant and you know it, clap your hands. If your wife's pregnant and you know it, clap your hands. If your wife's pregnant and you know it, and she's really starting to show it. If your wife's pregnant and you know it, clap your hand. Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Janowitz with Synergy Avito Chiropractic, and yes, my wife is pregnant right now at this shooting with our third baby about to launch in a month. So she is showing it and we are excited, but here's the deal. In addition to that wonderful baby being born, you as a pregnant woman might be having some back pain, neck pain, headaches, and need some help. So here are some things that you should know about getting chiropractic care when you're pregnant. The first thing you need to know is that your body secretes a hormone called relaxin, which is a wonderful thing. It relaxes the ligaments to allow the body to change the pelvic position to have the baby. But in doing so, when the ligaments are looser, you're more prone to get out of alignments, to get the spine shifted or pinching the nerves, leading to things like back pain, SI pain, or sciatica, or neck and upper back pain. The other thing you got to realize is that your posture changes. Here, let me see this spine here. So normally, obviously, your spine should be nice and straight from front to back. And from the side, you should have a curve, a forward curve in your neck, a backwards curve in your low back, and a forward curve, a backwards curve here and a forward curve here. The problem occurs is when you're pregnant, your posture can change. You might shift your head and lose some neck position and go forward. You might actually have an increase in your lower back as well, causing more stress on the joints in your spine. And then you might have some pressure in your upper back, causing some pulling there, causing irritation here. So as you go through the trimesters, that's going to be occurring. So when you get assessed at a chiropractor, typically they might take some x-rays. And of course, we don't do that when you're pregnant. So we can do things by really carefully looking at your posture. In our office, we check to see how your weight is distributed from right to left. No, we don't care how much you weigh right now. I know that that's a concern for a lot of you, but we're concerned with if your weight is shifted more to one side or the other, which could be putting more strain on the body as well. And so we look at your weight scales, we look at your posture, we see if there's rotation to the pelvis. If there's rotation to the pelvis, that could be causing strain to the ligaments, which can cause a lot of ligamentous pain as you're going through your pregnancy as well. So a chiropractor that is trained in pregnancy care, and by the way, if you're thinking about chiropractic care for yourself, I would always recommend reaching out to that office first and seeing, do they in fact do work with pregnancy care. In our office, we see many pregnancy patients, pregnant women, and we work a lot with local OBGYNs in helping their patients with this type of condition. And in doing that, we also utilize different or modified techniques. So in our office, a lot of our patients are lying down briefly on a face-up position where we can analyze their leg lengths, make sure their pelvis is in good position, feel the tension there, and then we can work on doing gentle ways to help to correct neck misalignments, or do what's called a hug move to help work with the mid-back without having to put you on your belly. We also are trained to do a side posture maneuver that can take pressure off the joints, ligaments, discs, and nerves in your lower back. And there's other techniques called Webster techniques. So there's a lot that's out there to help you during this amazing time in your life. So if you're pregnant and you know it, you definitely should see a chiropractor in your area. So I'm Dr. Eric Janowitz. I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure that you like, subscribe, ring the bell, share, whatever it takes to your pregnant friends to help them know that chiropractic can really help them out. Thank you.